Hi, welcome to the channel. It's our first night. We've just flown Virgin and we've arrived in Miami, and we chose this hotel on hotels.com with all the different deals, and some points I had. It was £8.60 including breakfast, and had some reasonable reviews. I would say the only issue I've had is it is quite a drive. It was about 50 miles from the airport, but it's nice inside. You've got pools, you've got breakfast, you've got 24-hour coffee, and the staff are delightful. I'll show you the room in a moment. Floridian is an older style motel with exterior entry, but it's all very nice. Let's have a quick look at the pool. Hello, Mr. Walrus. Oh no, manatee, sorry. And actually the pool looks splendid as well, doesn't it? So I say with points and things, I've ended up paying £8.60 for a night here, including breakfast, so we can't go far wrong there, can we? Okay, tally-ho, let's go and have a look at the room. And then finally, there's the room. And budget hotel comes, it's very impressive. You've got air conditioning, it's quiet. You can obviously park right out the side there. It's a mega bed, which is fantastic. Got your own little hi-fi system, a big telly, microwave, coffee machine, a large fridge. You've got a nice little bathroom set up here with hairdryer, plenty of space, plenty of amenities, shower gel and soap. So really, if you're looking for somewhere cheap and cheerful, clean and nice, remember it includes your breakfast as well, for a very good price. I'll put the link below for this one. I booked it on hotels.com. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. It really helps us, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.